The Scarper Disc Drive e-bike drive system is a groundbreaking electric bike conversion kit that stands out from the crowd with its compact, easy-to-install design and innovative technology. Unlike traditional one-way conversion kits that require extensive changes to your bike, Scarper offers a system that fits seamlessly onto your existing bicycle, providing an efficient and straightforward electric assistance solution. For 1,495 pounds, the Scarper kit includes the drive unit, a Bluetooth cadence sensor, and the disc drive rotor. The drive unit contains the motor, battery, and control electronics, all housed in a sealed, compact case that mounts on your bike's chainstay. The disc drive rotor stays attached to your bike, while the drive unit clicks on and off with ease. This allows you to convert your bike to electric power in seconds, making it ideal for anyone who wants the option of switching between pedal-powered and electric riding. How it works, the Scarper system is a perfect example of smart engineering. Instead of modifying your bike with new wheels or cables, everything you need is integrated into the drive unit and rotor. Once attached, a drive shaft from the drive unit transmits power to the disc drive rotor, which then drives the rear wheel. The design takes advantage of the solid structure of your bike's chainstay, which acts like a torque arm, providing a stable platform to transfer power without causing unnecessary strain on the frame. The system is controlled through a cadence sensor attached to the left-hand crank. This sensor ensures smooth, responsive acceleration without lag, even when starting from a standstill or on an incline. The dynamic climb feature automatically adjusts power when you encounter a hill, providing a smooth and controlled ascent without needing to manually switch modes, performance, and features. The Scarper system offers several smart features that enhance the riding experience. One standout is its fast-charging battery, which provides ample range for everyday rides and quick recharges between trips. With a maximum assistance speed of 25 kilometers per hour, 15.5 miles per hour, the system is fully compliant with European and UK regulations, ensuring you can legally ride without worrying about exceeding the speed limit for e-bikes. The seamless integration of motor assistance, smooth acceleration, and automatic hill climbing makes riding with the Scarper disc drive feel effortless. Whether you're commuting through the city, cruising on flat roads, or tackling steeper climbs, the system provides a natural fluid ride. Pros and cons. The main advantages of the Scarper system are its ease of installation and removal, clever integration of motor, battery, and control systems, and responsive assistance that makes uphill riding a breeze. Additionally, the ability to revert to a non-assisted bike in seconds makes it a versatile choice. The system also offers a fast-charging battery with a solid range. However, the price might be a concern for some, especially when compared to more traditional conversion kits. Additionally, while the system's design is innovative, long-term durability will only be proven with time. In conclusion, the Scarper Disc Drive e-bike drive system offers a smart, user-friendly solution for converting your regular bike into an electric bike. With its easy installation, responsive performance, and innovative features, it's a game-changer in the world of electric bike conversions, making it a solid option for anyone looking to add electric assistance to their ride.